Hey there, welcome back to Money Hunters. If you've ever dreamt of making money while catching those Z's, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into the world of passive income, those sweet streams of revenue that flow into your bank account while you're busy counting sheep. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, these 10 passive income ideas will have you well on your way to turning your dreams into dollars. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right in. Number 1. Dividend stocks. First up, we have a classic, dividend stock. By investing in dividend-paying companies, you can enjoy a slice of their profits regularly, without lifting a finger. The more you invest, the more you can potentially earn. Just imagine waking up to those dividend notifications in your inbox. Number 2. Real estate crowdfunding. If owning property sounds appealing, but being a landlord doesn't, real estate crowdfunding might be your ticket. Join forces with others to invest in real estate projects. As the property value grows, so does your passive income. No 3 a.m. calls about leaky faucets here. Number 3. Create an online course. Are you an expert in something? Turn your knowledge into an online course. Once it's up and running, students from around the world can enroll, and you'll be earning money while sipping your morning coffee. Number 4. Write an ebook. If you have a way with words, consider writing an ebook. Once it's published, you can earn royalties every time someone buys a copy. It's like having a digital ATM that operates around the clock. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Here's a clever one: affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a matchmaker between customers and products. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Cut out the middleman. Become one yourself. Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest in return. Just be sure to do your due diligence. Number 7. Automated dropshipping. Why not run your online store without the hassle of inventory management? With dropshipping, the products are sent directly from the manufacturer to the customer. You earn the passively while you're sleeping. Number 8. License your photography. If you're a photography enthusiast, your snapshots could be earning you some serious cash. License your photos to websites, publications, or companies for use, and watch the royalties roll in. Number 9. Create a mobile app. Got a killer app idea? Turn it into reality. Once your app is available for download, you can earn money through ads, in-app purchases, or even a premium version. Number 10. High-yield savings accounts. Last but not least, let your money work for you in a high-yield savings account. While the returns might not be as high as other options, it's an effortless way to earn a little extra on your idle funds. And there you have it, 10 fantastic ways to make money while you sleep. Remember, building these passive income streams might take some upfront effort, but once they're set up, you can enjoy the benefits for years to come. Which idea resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, sweet dreams and happy earning.